Hi everyone. Oh my god, it's been years since I've been on YouTube, but I was feeling the inspo again. I have a week off, and in this week off I'm like, let me get back to my roots, get back to my YouTube, you know? So if you guys don't know, my name is Louise. Nice to meet everyone. I used to make YouTube videos back in the day. I'm talking like, I don't know, years ago, right? Yeah, she is aged. Fine wine aged, you know? Here I am chilling on my couch. I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys. I got this package from NYX Cosmetics. Let me show it to you. Oh my god, stop it. I'm making a fucking video. Dishwasher. Anyway, my name's Louise. I'm 31. I live in Melbourne, Australia. I love beauty, anything, especially skincare. A little bit about me. I used to work at Mecca in the skincare makeup world. Mecca, for people that don't know, is just like a Sephora here in Australia. Anyway, yeah, so I love makeup, I love skincare, I love talking about anything like that. I'm starting to get into hair care. Good girl, she's got like a fucking haircut. It makes me look like I know what I'm doing with my hair, but I still have that much knowledge. Yeah, it's like that. Sad, I know. Anyway, I just got a huge delivery from NYX Cosmetics. This is their Home Alone Christmas collection. Oh shit. And I thought TikTok just can't do this justice. Like, as if I'm gonna try to open this in like fucking 30 seconds. No, even 10-minute video. I don't know, I just wanted a whole video with some uncut scenes. And I'm like, what better place to then post it than on YouTube? So this will be my welcome back video with some PR. Also really wild. I've been getting PR so much in the last year and a half to 2 years, and it's wild because like I used to dream about this shit. Like I used to shop as a 16-year-old. I used to shop at Target for those NYX jumbo sticks, all this makeup, and like just blessed. If I show you my makeup room, it's incredibly large and I'm very blessed for it. And I'm gonna start doing some giveaways to give back to you guys so you can have some fun with the makeup and stuff too, because obviously I don't need like everything. Yeah, I can't believe it. And yeah, it's gonna be a little bit cheesy, but just work hard for what you want. And if you have a vision for yourself, they say like the way you feel when you have that pull to like, or those dreams that just won't leave you, that's because like the future you already has it, you know? So yeah, I've been very grateful, very blessed to be able to get PR. And anyway, enough cheese talk. We're gonna open some NYX PR, Christmas PR. Okay, so I'm actually gonna start with this bucket because it's been very interesting. It's a 12-piece mini lip kit. Looks like that. It is, have you guys seen Home Alone? If not, you won't get the reference. But on the front, it says, you guys gonna give up yet? Or you're thirsty for more? Kevin, we're fucking thirsty for more. This is the packaging. That's what it looks like. It literally has a little handle. Cute. I love a mess in my house. It's raining. Oh, I'm glad it's stuck together in one piece. Oh my god, this is so cute. They're like minis. Okay, so there's 12, as we said. I'm just gonna go through them. This is the NYX Butter Gloss. Do I need to be an OG YouTuber? Do one of these? Maybe. This is in the shade Red Velvet. I'm not gonna swatch them all because I might actually give some of these away for Christmas. Because, you know, 'tis the season to be fucking jolly. Red Velvet. These are all gonna be the butter glosses. Don't mind me. Just out here dropping my PR. These are the 5 butter glosses that I received in this packet. Next is a clear butter gloss. Next is the shade Madeline, and it is like a brown nude, like a light nude. Keen for that. Vanilla cream pie looks like that. That's a really pretty color. It's like a soft peachy pink nude. And then last but not least, we have a beautiful chocolate coffee color called Ginger Snap, and it looks like that. That's the butter glosses that came in the pack. Very cute. Next up, we have a Smooth Whip collection. Smooth Whips look like that. Yep, cute. We have the shade Kitty Belly, which is kind of funny because it looks like, yeah, the skin tone, like the bottom of the kitty's belly. Cherry Cream, it's a red tone. Then we've got like a burgundy kind of mauve purple color called Fuzzy Slippers. Looks like that. And then we have Teddy Fluff, which is a brown tone. If you guys want to see what these shades look like, I actually made a TikTok video swatching them. I didn't really know what the cream whips were, so I swatched them and I got all of these shades in a swatch on my skin tone, which is a light neutral, on my TikTok channel, which is the same as what it is here, louiseb.beauty. Go follow me while you're there. Last but not least in this 12-piece collection is the soft matte creams. Looks like that. So we have the first shade, which is called Stockholm, brownie peach color, Rome, which is like a mauvey brown, and then the red, Monte Carlo, gorgeous red. That was everything in the jar of the paint bucket. Cute. Oh my god, next we're gonna unbox this. This is the Home Alone pull to open surprise makeup box. Cute. Oh my god. Okay, it also has the wet bandits on there. Oh my god, I should put this on my freaking tree. As you can see, let me get it. And this is so heavy, I thought it was gonna pull my tree down. Do I need a crowbar? Like a piñata, do I have to hit it? We're gonna just like, we're just gonna open it. Is that right? I don't think that's right. That's silly, Louise. I need to stop doing that. Right, here we go. It just opens. I don't need to hit it. I'm not an animal. Lucky there was this. I'm here punching this freaking PR package and there's a motherfucking eyeshadow on the bottom. Am I dumb? Am I dumb? It looked like a piñata. Guys, forgive me. It looked like a piñata. Anyway, this is the NYX HD finishing powder. I didn't actually know that they had a finishing powder, HD finishing powder. It's a beautiful like pressed powder. Yeah, cute. That's item 1. NYX fat oil. This just fell on the fucking floor. Oh. Let me just... I'm back. We just had a little bit of an incident there. Not to worry. Let's resume. We have a butter gloss. Alien. Oh no, this is a popular ass color. If you guys haven't heard of the butter glosses by NYX, they've been around for yonks and they're very popular. Next is a smooth whip in latte foam. Bro, the names just explain it perfectly. Fat oil in newsfeed. So this is like a red, but like with the fat oils, right? The fat oils aren't actually as pigmented. Like that looks hella red. They're not that pigmented. They're like that really nice lip oil. So think of a gloss with some tint of a red in it. I've got Sweet Cheeks. Ooh, very soft cheek tint in the color Baby Doll. I'm keen to have like a new cream blush because I don't actually have many cream blushes, to be honest with you. I'm still using my Smashbox and my Stila from fucking 4 years ago. Yes, you're only meant to keep makeup for like 2 years, but it's a cream blush, really. What could go wrong? Butter gloss in the clear. Then I've got a soft matte lip cream in Budapest. This is like a mauve brown, got a bit of purple through it. Then, oh, this motherfucker. This is the Jumbo NYX pencil. It dropped and it went all over all my shit. It went on the floor. I had to get up, pause the video and clean it since it's already bloody used. That's a swatch of it. Ooh, that's actually quite nice. Very much. I'm gonna throw out this pen. I'm gonna throw it out. And it just landed on my flooring. I can't with this pencil. What the fuck? What the fuck? NYX Jumbo pencil? What the fuck? That's all I have to say. Anyway, I was just gonna rub it in and show you what it looked like. I'm kind of annoyed at it now, so it's shit. I'm joking. It's actually quite nice. I'm going to never hold one of these in my hands again. There's another one. Another one. But this is okay. This one hasn't flung out of my hands a million times. I don't know the names. That was like a whitey pearlescent frosted color. Frost yourself. And then this is a gold champagne color. We're nearly at the end. Soft matte lip cream. This is in the shade Abu Dhabi. The lip oil that I was actually talking about at the start, but it flung out of my hands, so I'm going to show it again. Shade Follow Back. It's like a apricot brick terracotta nude. And then this is the Smooth Whip in Velvet Rose. It's like a purpley tone. This is what I used to wear back in the day when I didn't want people to talk to me. I'd have like a dark vampy color on and I'd be like, Where are you? Okay, last but not least, the NYX Kevin's House 24-day countdown. Look at the packaging. I just want to take a minute. Look at the detail of the packaging. They have the OK plumbing and heating. This is the Wet Bandits car. And obviously they got like some Christmas presents, Christmas lights. Oh my God, cute. And they got like NYX products on top. Kevin's House. What's on this side? Hello. I kind of like jump scare myself there. And that's that's Kevin. I don't mean to be flipping you guys off right now. That was a mistake. So, oh my God, this is gonna be my very first advent calendar ever. Okay, we're gonna open it. These nails are good for something sometimes. Oh shit. Oh my God. Okay. This is what it's looking like on the inside. Oh my God, this is gonna be so fun. Okay, I've never in my life had an advent calendar full of makeup. This is number one. Oh, whoa. Eyeshadow palette. Ultimate Edit palette. This is an eyeshadow palette. There's some nudes and some browns. Quite a warm neutral palette. Matches my lip. Oh, okay. I've never seen this before. It's a butter gloss bling. Look at that. It's in the shade Pricey. Cute. Day 3 is right next door. So I think it's a lip product being that they're the same sizes. Yes. I was right. Is a smooth whip lip cream in the shade Kitty Belly. And number 4, this is the, I can see now, it's a lip oil. It's a fat lip oil. What a name. In the clear. Number 5 is here. Sweet Cheeks. Oh, it's another lip tint in the color Bombshell. It's more of like a burnt rose brown. Number 6, soft matte lip cream in the shade Rome. Rome, like a brownie, berry, muted color. Number 7, butter gloss in Bit of Honey. So that's like a peachy nude brown. Number 8. Oh my God, this is so fun. Number 8. Okay, butter gloss. Oh my God, this is a cute color. This is in the shade Cream Brulee. This is one of the most popular NYX colors. So if you're unsure of what to get, Cream Brulee, butter gloss. This is the OG. Okay, number 9 is here. Oh, these are those lip click fat oil slick click pens. Kind of looks like that lip gloss that I put on before. It's like a bronzy shimmer. It'll be nice as like a lip topper, you know. Number 10. Oh, what's this? Oh my God, this is cool. Candy Swirl butter lip gloss. Oh my goodness. Swatching this shade. Okay, so it's already a red and a pinky tone. Sort of softens up a little bit. Wow, that's so pretty. That's really cool. Number 11. Sorry, Wet Bandit. Oh, another click pen. Slick click lip flip. This is like a nice nude mauve. Oh my God, they got shimmer through it. That's so nice. Keen. I'm hot. Okay, we're back. I just sat in the cold air for a while. Number 12. Oh, yay. I've really wanted to try these these slick click pens, the fat oil ones, for so long. So I've got 3 now, and this is in the shade Going Viral. It looks like this. This is going to be my jam. These, you like click them to go on the skin. You don't wind them or anything. They're a click one. They're meant to be a zoop. I think of the Tarte Cosmetics one or the Hourglass one. I think Hourglass bought these out first. I'm not sure. Anyway, they're a zoop or they're their own. I don't know. So that's this side rummaged through. Now this is what we have left. This is so cute. All right, we've got number 13. And here they are. Another Sweet Cheeks soft cheek tint in the color Coralicious. Original, guys. That's mean, I'm sorry. This is a coral color. I don't usually do corals, so this might be interesting to try. 14. Oh no, it's a Wet Bandit's face. Mauve. Is it mauve? Oh, okay, another one. The Sweet Cheeks tint in the shade Showgirl. This is like a mauve, a berry. Oh, I think I'm really gonna like this color because I can't use a color like this now. It diffuses a lot on the skin, so very keen to see it. Since I like this one, I might actually swatch it on my skin. Oh shit, it's got like a wand, a bit nervy. Looks dark, don't get scared, but what you would do is you would just like blend. Oh my God, that scared me. That's just my dishwasher. I thought someone was like tapping on my door. That's nice. That's what it'd look like once you blend it in on the skin. I really can see myself wearing a color like that. It just like pops with like all brown. You'd use the smallest amount, so don't be scared of like dark shades. You're not meant to swipe it on. You're meant to blend it out. Cute. Love that. Thanks, guys. 14, 15 is below. This is a lip product. Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream in the shade Cherry Cream. It's just like a classic red. Number 16, we're halfway done. I like that this advent calendar had all of the all of the days and not just like 15. Very generous. I don't know how much it is. I'll have to see how much it costs. Multi-use face stick. It's a jumbo one and it's like in that bronzy color before. Yeah, bronze. Number 17, it might be the same. Ooh, it's a gold. That's cool. I used to love these. I had it in white and I always would do my waterline with it and it was so nice. Very creamy. 18, we have a smooth whip. We're going to try to hold together this broken box as much as we can. Smooth whip in the shade Onesie Funsie. That's cute. Number 19. Oh my god, they're the butter glosses. Yes. Oh no, okay. I'm not disappointed. I'm grateful. We listen and we don't judge. Soft matte lip cream. Fuck, this color looks mad. In London. I think I wanted to buy this once upon a time. This looks mad. I'm gonna actually put it on now. Oh, instant brown. That's the shade. Nice as a really nice lip topper. Number 20, same thing. This is nice as well. This is in the shade Cans. Kind of like what I'm wearing now, but like pinky. Cute. Number 21. It's a butter glass. In the shade Madeline. Okay, I got one of these, so this is definitely going to be a giveaway. Oh my god, so cool. And then number 22. Oh my god, what the fuck? Butter gloss bling. This is in the shade She Got Shmoney. It's called She Got Money, but she got shmoney. Look at that. Nice. And last but not least, this is holding on by a thread. Here's number 23. Right. Okay, cool. It's a lip oil in the shade. In the shade? I don't know what shade it is. I don't know what shade it is. It doesn't say. This one doesn't actually have a color. It's just a gloss. It looks like that. It's not a berry. It's like a soft pink. Oh my god. Lucky last. Okay. Lucky last. What? Hang on. Let me just launch that. Is this a black? Okay, no, it's a dark brown. Oof. That is so nice. This too doesn't have a color or a shade name. Oh my god, look at that. That's nice. That is so nice. I'm gonna swatch it. Oh, okay. It's a berry, the red. I'm not gonna swatch it. I might give it away because it might not suit my skin tone. That is everything from my NYX Home Alone Advent Calendar Home Alone collab. I want to thank you, NYX, for sending that to me. I honestly love that I'm able to be on your PR list. It means the world because I used to use your products. I mean, I use them now, but as a kid, I would always go into like Target and I would buy everything. I actually still have the old school NYX products that I used to buy from you guys. So again, thank you again for sending that to me. I really appreciate it. And for everyone that has tuned in to my first YouTube video back from years ago, thank you for watching. Please follow me if you want like to be updated. Subscribe, I should say. Follow me. Girl, we're on YouTube now. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. I talk about beauty, skincare, makeup, hair care, day-to-day shit in my life. If you want to follow me on TikTok, which I'm the most popular on, whatever. I've got the most followers on, whatever. It's louiseb.beauty. My Instagram is louiseb.beauty also. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.